This is Mr. Islam Yusuf. Our lesson today about the zeros of a linear function. In this tutorial, we'll know what is the meaning of zeros of a linear function. As we said before, the linear function is a function of the first degree, which is represented graphically as a straight line. The simplest form of the function, which is defined by f of x equals x, and it's called the parent function. For any parent function defined by f of x equals x, and it's represented graphically as a line, and the domain is all real number. The range is all of the real number. Now, what is the meaning of zeros of the function? Zeros of the function is a point of intersection between the line and the x-axis. At this point, you will find that y is equal to 0. So we can find that the zeros of the function is the value of x which make y equal 0. So we say that y can be defined as the equation and f of x defined by the function. So the zeros of the function is the value of x which make the function equal to 0. And the graph, we can find that the zeros of the function is the point of intersection between the line and the x-axis, which is defined by x-intercept. In this graph, the zeros of the function defined by the point 4. We can find the zeros of the function algebraically. If we say that y equal to 0, if y equal to 0, it means 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. By solving the equation by adding 8, then 2x is equals to 8 divided by 2. Then x is equals to 4. Find the zeros of the function by graphing. F of x equals 3x plus 3. At the first we have x, and that's f of x. We can choose any values like -1, 0, and 1. For the first one, 3 times -1 equals -3 plus 3 equals 0. 3 times 0 equals 0 plus 3 equals 3. 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 6. The first point that we have, which is -1 and 0. The second 0 and 3. The third is 1 and 6. Then we can graph the line. You will find that the line intersects with the x-axis at the point -1. So the zeros of the function will be -1. You can find algebraically if you want. We have 3x plus 3 will be equal to 0. So 3x is equals to -3. If you divide by 3, you will find that x is equals to -1. So algebraically or graphically, you will find the same answer. Number 2. F of x equals 6. As we said before, we have the equation y is equal to 6. It's represented as a line parallel to x-axis and intersect y-axis at the point 6. So to graph the line, at the point 6, we will draw a horizontal line parallel to x and intersect y at the point 6. So that is the graph of the line f of x equals to 6. You will find that there is no intersection between the line and the x-axis. It means there is no zeros of the function. It means there is no value make the function f of x equal to 0. In the next tutorial, we'll know what is the meaning of the rate of change, how we can find the rate of change, the meaning of the slope, determine whether the relation is linear or not, finding the missing coordinate if the given is the slope.